Some of you may find yourself needing a grade item where you can assign a pass-fail or a complete-incomplete. This short video is going to show you how. To get started, click on the Assignments tab. Then choose New Assignment. Create your assignment. Give it a title and provide the instructions. Do not click the Grade Out of box. You want to allow this to remain as ungraded. You should not need to complete any of the content here unless for some reason you need the Turnitin Dropbox for the required upload, or if you need a rubric for the assignment that you want the students to see. The grading isn't going to happen on this particular rubric, but if you need the students to see the rubric, you would want to attach it here. Otherwise, if you do not want Turnitin or you don't have a specific rubric for it, you wouldn't need to complete anything here. Don't forget to make it visible, though, before saving and closing. Next, go to your gradebook. Click on Manage Grades, and then click New. And then under the New tab, you're going to click New Item. Choose Pass or Fail. Give the assignment a name. This is the name that the students are going to see in the gradebook. You should use the same name that you used for your assignment for clarity. Then enter the max points. 100 is fine. It's not going to be reflected anyway, and make the weight 0 as this is a pass-fail. If you need a rubric to grade this assignment, you can attach it here. If not, just click Save and Close. Next, you need to drop your assignment in the week where you want the students to see it. Choosing Existing Activities, then Assignments, and then choose the assignment that you're looking to drop. Grading this assignment is going to take 2 steps. You'll first have to view the certificate in the Dropbox where the students loaded it. See previous videos on how to grade assignments in order to learn how to do that. Then you go to the gradebook to find the assignment column that you are looking to grade. In this case, it was the practicum certificate completion. Then click the caret next to the item. Choose Enter Grade, and then choose your pass-fail grade. Don't forget to save and close. I hope that you found this quick little video helpful to create an item in the gradebook where it is pass-fail or complete-incomplete.